Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head into CVS and check out all the deals that are running this week. There's a really great deal on gift sets that we hope to grab, free toothpaste depending on your store coupons, really cheap Listerine, and a bunch of other items. It's a pretty good week. Oh, and free hand soap. So let's head in and check out all the deals. Grab 50-cent nail polish. This week it is, it's always 2 for $5, and this week when you grab 2 of them, you get back a $4 extra care buck. No coupons needed here, guys. You're just going to pay $5 and get $4 right back. So 50 cents a nail polish. I am slightly addicted to Cetaphil. I've used it for years, and this is the week to stock up if it is also one of your brands. Grab $25 worth of Cetaphil and you're gonna get back a $10 reward. It's pretty rare that we see rewards on it. It's definitely not once a month, and it's rare that that reward is that high. So if this is your brand, I would go ahead and grab it. It does not come out to be a moneymaker, but I just want to mention it since it is one of the products that I like. It was definitely on my list this week. We've got $2 and $3 coupons for it from recent inserts, plus some of you might have gotten a Cetaphil coupon in the mail, in a CVS mailer, so check that recently too. So for me, I am grabbing 2 of the big bottles of face wash. They're $13.99 a piece. That equals $25. I have a store coupon for $5 off of any $20 in facial care, and 2 $2 off Cetaphil coupons. After the reward, after the store coupon and the manufacturer's coupons, it is going to come out to $4.49 a piece. I know it's not free, but this guy's normally $13.99. So huge discount if this is a product that you like. There's a lot here. You can mix and match. You can go with cheaper items, $9.79 for the smaller bottles. If you wanted to get 3, you could do that. You're definitely going to be above the $25. It's just how you want to work it and the products that you want, and it does include baby care items if you want those too. One deal to look for in your store if they sell this brand is that a number of stores are completely clearancing out the entire brand. And there are some pretty good prices here at 75% off. No coupons here. This is not a brand that's ever had coupons in cosmetics, but you can mix and match and make your own deals. You could definitely use a store coupon off of cosmetics though if you had one. So if you have a 3 off 12 or a 3 off 15 in cosmetics, grab these at $1.50, $2 a piece and rack up if you wanted to. We've got an easy money maker this week on soft soap hand soap. It's on sale for $1.99. Stop by the coupon center and everyone is getting a printable coupon for $1 off, and it's printing a $1 extra care buck. Guys, that makes it free right there. Store coupon makes it cost 99 cents and you get $1 back in rewards. It gets better though because we have a 50-cent printable manufacturer's coupon that you could also use. So in the end, you're going to use the $1 coupon from the coupon center, 50-cent manufacturer's coupon, pay 49 cents and get back $1. So an easy 50-cent moneymaker on one soft soap hand soap. Now, one thing to mention on that soft soap, if you're paperless like me and you head to the coupon center, you're gonna get a really long list. I can't even show you all of mine, it's so long, of all the coupons that are loaded to your card, but you're not actually gonna get that $1 soft soap coupon. So head to the register, tell the cashier that, hey, I'm paperless, nothing prints for me coupon-wise at the coupon center, and they can make a price adjustment on that soft soap. So you'll end up paying 99 cents for it, even though you didn't have the store coupon. So you can still get the deal. You're just gonna need to work with your store, but they're very used to it and you're not the only one that's having that problem. We've got a great deal on Nexus this week, guys. There's a digital coupon for this. We also had a printable. The printable's gone now, but head in and get $20 worth of Nexus and get back $10 in rewards. We've got $5 off digital coupons. So this guy right here in my store is $20.99. So one bottle, use your $5 off coupon, you're gonna pay $15.99 and you're gonna get back $10 in rewards. So it makes a $20 bottle of shampoo $5.99 after that. Remember to check your CVS coupons though, because I've got a store coupon, 2 different ones for hair care. So you're gonna use one. I have a $4 off any $18 purchase. So in the end, $1.99. Because you're using a $4 store coupon, a $5 manufacturer's coupon, that's $9 in coupons. It costs $20.99, so use your $9 in coupons. You're going to pay $11.99 and get back $10. okay. This is actually a great brand for $1.99. So do not miss the Nexus deal. If you missed the printable, it is okay. Just use the digital. So even CVS now has activated it. If you have not done this, use the CVS app, scan the barcode, and it will auto load not only the hair care coupon, the store coupon if you have it, but it will also auto load that $5 Nexus. So pretty sweet. I'm super excited that CVS has activated that in their app because it makes it so much easier to use. And then you're good to go. No even needing the printable coupon at that point. If you do have the printable, though, you could grab 2 $15 bottles if you wanted to and use 2 coupons, but you just mix and match and grab what it is that you want to make the deal work for you and the products that you need. One more easy, fun hair care deal is L'Oreal Elvive. This week it's on sale 2 for $8. When you grab 2 of them, you're gonna get back a $3 extra care buck. Plus we just got in Sunday's paper $3 off 2 coupons. So grab 2 of them for $8, use a $3 coupon, you're gonna pay $5 for it, get back $3 in rewards. Guys, that makes it $1 a bottle after the rewards and after the coupon. Great price for hair care and actually beats the price that's currently running in Walgreens. So grab this one at CVS through the end of the week. This is a great week to stock up on Listerine. Check your CVS store coupons first for either a coupon off of all oral care, or for me, I had a $3 off Listerine coupon. Sweet. So head in this week, grab $10 worth of Listerine, get back $5 in rewards. Guys, that's 50% off right there. We've got $1 manufacturer's coupons. I've got the $3 store coupon. Hopefully you also have a store coupon for some sort of oral care that you can pair in with this deal and grab $10 worth. Now, this is my plan. The sensitive is $4.49. Grab one of those, and to grab one Listerine Fresh Burst is $6.49. Now, this is the 500 milliliter bottle. If you love Listerine, if this is a product that you're using regularly, the 1 liter bottle, which is twice this size, is only 50 cents more. So go with the 1 liter if this is the brand that you're going to use. You know, for me, I have a ton of mouthwash and I don't necessarily care, so I'm going to go with the cheapest option, but it's 50 cents more to double your size. Do that if you want Listerine and you only use Listerine. The 2 of these together, so the sensitivity plus this guy, comes out to $10.99 basically. And then we're going to start adding in the coupons. We can use a $1 manufacturer's coupon here. You cannot use a coupon on that little sensitivity. It's too small for the manufacturer's coupons that we have. So $1 manufacturer's coupon plus my $3 store coupon plus my $5 in rewards. In the end, I'm paying $1.99 for 2 products, or 99 cents a piece. Now, this deal will differ for you based on what the price is in your store. So I'm just going with the 2 cheapest items that are in this store. There are a couple of other options that you may find in your store. Reach Floss is also part of this deal, and it is $5.59. And for some of you, depending on where you live, this Listerine right here, the 500 milliliter, is only $5.79 in your store. So from one side of town to another, it's even different in my area. You get the idea. Just grab $10 worth before coupons and then start bringing on the coupons, and it's going to make a deal pretty much no matter what you grab. There's one deal on toothpaste this week, Crest. When you grab 3 of them, you're going to get back a $5 reward, and this is the one you want to grab. It's the cheapest one, and it is part of the deal, so it's $4.19 in this store, and we've got a $5 digital coupon. So again, scan that barcode with your CVS app, load the $5 off 3 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. Total due is $4.19 a piece, so you're going to be at $12.60 basically, minus a $5 digital, so $7.60, and then get back a $5 reward. This basically makes them a little less than $1 a piece. Now, if you have a store coupon though for $3 off of 12, these are free. So if you've got that store coupon, you have an easy freebie on toothpaste. If you don't have the store coupon, I might wait. We see free toothpaste all the time. But if you did, I wanted you to know how to use it, and it's definitely on this product and this deal. Snag a great price on Aleve this week. We just got huge coupons for $4 off in Sunday's paper, and they're only good for 1 week. So this is the deal to put them to work on. Aleve, when you buy $25 worth, you're gonna get back an $8 extra care buck. So in my store, my plan is this guy right here. It is $8.29 for the 50 count of Aleve. So grab 3 of them. That comes out to $24.87. It's close enough, guys. You will still get this $8 reward. So you're not technically at the 25, it doesn't matter. Don't tell anyone. No, really, they know this. So you're gonna be short, that's fine. You're buying $24.87 after the sale. Keep in mind that price could differ based on every store, but this is the one you wanna look for in terms of the cheapest item. Use 3 of those $4 off coupons if you have them. That's $12 off. So you're gonna pay $12.87 after that and still get back that $8 reward. Now this could get better because I have in my CVS account a 4 off of $20 purchase for Aleve. Hopefully you've got something for Aleve or something off of just any pain relief. Either one would work. So I am buying $20. I'm really buying $24.87. Perfect. Gonna get the $4 off, gonna get $12 off. That's $16, guys, right there. So after all of those coupons and after the $8 reward, that's $24 between the reward back and the coupons used on a $24.87 purchase. You get the point here. You're paying 87 cents for 3 50-count boxes of Aleve. So here's hoping you have that store coupon too. I am totally getting this deal, and hopefully you can too. This week, the cash card deal, every week it's got different items. This week it's got a lot of Tide, the Tide 100-ounce bottles and Tide pods and Gain. So we can mix and match and make a really great deal on these just using digital and printable coupons or inserts. There's one of those available too. Just keep in mind that every single one that you have is a limit of 1. So you can use 1 digital, 1 printable, 1 insert on each of the brands. You want to buy $30 worth, and then you're going to get back that $10 CVS cash card, which is a gift card, guys. So my plan, it involves buying a lot of them, and I'll actually just show you the plan directly. But the way you want to go here is grabbing 2 Tide Pods, 2 Gain Flings, and then 1 of these 100-ounce bottles. It's going to come out to right at $30, and then start throwing on all the $2 coupons that we have. After the coupons and after the rewards, you're going to walk out the door with each of these for $2.14 a piece. So really great price for laundry detergent. Now, if you head to southernsavers.com/CVS, you'll see this deal. You can add it straight to your shopping list and grab all the coupons that you need for it there too, because it's definitely a better deal with all those coupons thrown in. And if Tide is your brand, it's a very good stock up price at $2.14 a piece. And one other thing to mention here too, check your CVS account because I've got new coupons this week for $2 off any $8 purchase of laundry. So this counts, guys, and that's gonna bring that total down even lower if you have one of those store coupons. Always check your store coupons. Okay guys, there's one other deal that I would not miss if your store sells it. It's just kind of frustrating to not be able to show it to you, but this week CVS has Wet n Wild gift sets for $9.99, and when you buy them you get an $8 reward back. So it makes the whole gift set $1.99. These are mix and match products, so they're gift sets. Some are all nail polish, some are lipstick, some are lipsticks and face products. So you can just pick the ones you want. It's a limit of 3. So you can grab 3 $9.99 gift sets and pay full price for them and then get back basically $24 in rewards on all 3 of them. If you wanted to, you're gonna back 3 $8 rewards. It's a good price. You're paying $1.99 a piece. And I want you to take this a step further, because if you're part of the CVS Beauty Club, you're basically buying $30 right there. You're 3 pennies short of your next $3 reward. That makes these gift sets 99 cents a piece. If you have a store coupon off of any cosmetics, you can use that too. So these could end up becoming a moneymaker for you once you pair in the store coupon off of cosmetics and the Beauty Club reward that you're gonna get back. You better be part of that Beauty Club. There's no reason to not be part of the Beauty Club, and you sign up at cvs.com. Just search on their site for the words Beauty Club. You have to register one time, and then it tracks you forevermore on any $30 purchase of cosmetics, hair care, a whole bunch of other items. So it's not just makeup, but that is going to turn these gift sets into a very sweet deal. Definitely if you have a store coupon too off of cosmetics. Not all stores sell them. That's the tricky part. So this store does not have the $9.99 sets. They have the $4.99 sets. And you may have to hit another CVS in town. You can always ask your store if they plan on getting them. And one other tip, they may not be in the makeup section. So let me see if I can go wide. But notice up there on the top of those rows, That's a lot of different gift sets. So kind of walk up and down your aisle and make sure that you're not missing them in a unique part of the store where you may not normally look. But it is a deal to grab, and hopefully you'll find it in your area. So there you go. It's definitely a week to hit CVS. There are definitely a number of deals that you're going to want to grab, and hopefully you've got a lot of store coupons to pair in with these deals. So I couldn't grab the gift sets. I'm probably going to hit another store because those are great items for stocking stuffers and just easy things to give pre-teens, which I have 2 of, or teens, I guess now. So just a reminder, if you're paperless, you're not going to get the soft soap coupon. Your store will fix it for you. You know, I might have this really long list of all my store coupons, and guys, I have a ton of them. But I don't have that $1 soft soap coupon. You're going to have to get them to mark that down at the register and fix it for you. And they will. They're very used to it. One other note too is I mentioned that there is a mailer for Cetaphil. That home mailer also has a $6 off any $30 purchase coupon on it. Bring that with you, because pairing that in with the Tide deal, with other, even the toothpaste and the Listerine, that is going to make for money makers on a lot of the items this week. So many of them are super cheap. For me, it made me feel less bad about my not money maker Cetaphil. And thank you CVS for taking away all the guilt on a product that I love and being able to get it crazy cheap at that point. But hopefully you've got that home mailer coupon as well, and you can pair it in with this week's deals. So all the deals that I mentioned, if you head to southernsavers.com, you can make your shopping list. It's got all the coupons that you need right there, even some deal ideas to help you too. So print out your CVS list and head to the store. Guys, I can't make this any easier for you. That's definitely my goal. If you're brand new as well, start with one deal. Don't go and try to grab all of these at one time, or you're gonna get to the counter and they're gonna tell you your total due is like $142 and you're gonna have no clue what happened. So start really small with one deal, get a reward back, use that reward to buy another deal, but don't go in and try to buy everything that I've mentioned on your very first trip, or you might cry. Just gonna throw that out there. So start small, week after week. Definitely go this week though. Get some extra care bucks and get ready, because next week is Black Friday. All of the deals are gonna start on Thursday, and I already have the Black Friday ad up on Southern Savers. So again, southernsavers.com/CVS. You will see the current week's deals, and then the tab right next to that, Black Friday deals. So you can start to get ready for all of the freebies that are going to be running starting Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, in your CVS. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe so that you can catch all of the weekly deal videos as they go live, so you don't miss any of the deals in your store.